Hey guys, my name's Nate, I'm the Outdoorsman, and I'm joined again by my wife Cassie, and we're going to be opening up the Cairn boxes. So we're going to be opening up the November, December, and January Cairn boxes. And then this is actually going to be the finale of my Cairn Box unboxing series. This has been an ongoing, I think, 3 or 4 year series. But I feel like now as February is when I start, January, February is when I started this series, and I feel like it's sort of run its course. With my busyness and other things, I kind of feel like this is sort of a good time to wrap it up. So we've enjoyed opening them up, and I'm going to continue opening them up. Just I want to open them up as they come in, and sometimes I haven't had the time to film it, and we're busy people, unfortunately, and I haven't had time to dedicate to it. And I kind of also haven't been wanting to record them, and I feel like I'd rather give you guys stuff that I want to record, and it's going to be this will give me time to record stuff. And as I said in a previous video, and I'll link it up in the future, or I'll link it up in up there, I'm going to try and put out videos in the future where stuff that I want to put out, but I don't know when those are going to be. So, but anyways, enough hemming and hawing, and enough a little bit of that announcement. Let's get to unboxing this. What it's going to do is I'm opening up the November box. I know it's in the December box. I did a review so I can keep my points going. And we're going to open these up almost simultaneously, and we'll show you guys what's in it. So I have November, she has December, and then we're going to open up January together. Let's see what we get. We're doing this just before we're going on a trip to Maine. Okay, so what do I got? I have a Life Straw multi-use filter collapsible squeeze bottle. I haven't needed recently, but I do like pouches like this, and I do like water filtration systems.
So I have Smart Wool liner gloves, which this could come in handy while we're going to Maine.
That's like you in general.
Yeah, I get cold easily.
You also don't have any good gloves.
I don't have very good gloves.
Whereas I still actually rebought the gloves I got early on in this series.
Yes.
Okay, so this is similar to, actually, I think not the Life Straw bottle, but you have a similar, what is it?
Like a pouch.
Your Brita bottle.
Oh.
And then you put, like, you take this and you put it into the pouch, and then you're able to drink as you go. I kind of like that. I'm not going to go dig too much deeper into it, and it comes with the plunger so you can backfill it. I do like Life Straw. I do occasionally carry a Life Straw with me on deeper hikes. Does that fit you good, or is it more built for my hands?
The hand part fits well. The fingers are just a little long.
Let's see for me. Because it may be more...
might be more of a men's sizing.
Well, considering it's all sized for me.
Yeah.
Because they don't give me options for 2 people. The fingers are still a bit long. Because it's actually a little tight on me. Well, I also have bad hands, so...
Yeah.
It's tight.
Everything's fit on me.
Yeah, it's tight on my hands, but my hands are a little swollen all the time. How's it right here?
It just feels like secure. Not like tight.
Yeah, so the fingers are a little long on it, which is weird, because even on me, like, and I have long fingers, the long part, and it's long on me, it just didn't fit that well on me.
And the way the tips are rounded is kind of looks a little funny.
So one of the
things, it also says it's touchscreen compatible, so that might be part of the reason.
Yeah, that's definitely one of the reasons why. One of the other things that I'm just going to kind of throw this out there is we're not, we aren't going to be eating any of the food in this one because we want to keep going. We're also on a relatively restrictive diet, and we're gaining into our eating window, so we just aren't going to be doing that. So we also have a 1-year free subscription to Cairn app premium membership. I didn't even know they had an app. I'll have to look into that. I'm holding it down here so you guys can't see the code. Oh, it's a different company. Download, chat, create account using the same email address as your Cairn Box. Oh, they do have an app. It's similar to a hiking app. Okay, I'll explore that later.
So this is green goo, hand goo. Helps temporarily relieve symptoms. Just a plant-based.
And we've had green goo on the, like, we've had those before.
We've had that brand before.
And on mine, it's actually a different brand. So we drink a lot of, for hydration drinks, we get Noon for when we go hiking or we're dehydrated or something like that. Noon's one of our household favorite hydration drink. With
like electrolytes and stuff instead of doing like a Gatorade or something like that that has a lot of sugar.
We don't even buy Gatorade anymore.
No.
I only buy it if I don't have any other option. But at Adventure Athletic, I got one for us to try.
Oh, cool.
So basically what it is a tablet. And you drop it into, in this case, it is into 6 to 20 ounces of water, and it fills it up. And I think this one looks like it is, this has 50 grams of caffeine. I have another one similar to this, and this one is orange. Whereas the other one I think it's cherry.
For which one?
My caffeinated one that I have.
I don't remember.
I think it's something like cherry, because I couldn't find any good like caffeinated ones that I liked. But I am looking forward to having this. I do like having caffeinated ones around the house for like days where I don't feel like making coffee, or I don't want to go out and get coffee or something like that. I like having this around as an emergency caffeine supply. And they do help with electrolytes, because with my diet I am drinking a lot of water, and well, as I found out one day by accident, you need to also replace your electrolytes when you drink more water than when you increase your water intake. What else you got?
And I have Kusa tea. We've gotten this brand before.
We never really dug into it.
We've never really tried it. We've packed it a couple times for trips, but then never used it. This one's hibiscus rose, so it's an herbal tea, which I'm very much into the herbal teas.
Maybe you could try and bring it to work or something again this time.
Yeah.
Since your work's coffee hasn't really been sitting with you.
Yeah. Although this is caffeine free.
Oh yeah. Got any other goodies?
Nope, but the paper on the inside has snowmen on it.
Because that was the Christmas one.
The Christmas one.
Yeah, I knew about that because I saw those ones and I did the review so I could keep my points going, because if you don't do points after a specific time, they expire. Well, let's see what's in the January one, and I'll go and do the review online. I'm still saving it, even though I'm not going to do a video on it. I may not do a video on it. I'm still saving it for Cairn, the Obsidian box. The Obsidian boxes have a lot of nice stuff. This first one is Twin Sprigs Natural Soap, an all-natural, clean and natural adventure cucumber mint. We understand desire for need adventure, each product crafted natural. So it is a travel soap, it looks like.
But they put it almost like in a deodorant form, but it's just soap.
Yeah. This will actually be useful this weekend.
I'll smell. It says cucumber mint. I'm definitely getting the mint on that.
Okay, let's see. What else do we got? We got the newspaper thing. financial tools, 9-piece, 9-in-1 multi-tool. So one of these things. I've actually been wanting to pick up one of these. Let me see, because this doesn't have a knife on it, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, so this doesn't have a knife on it. And I've been wanting this so I can have one around the office. Because there were some times in the office where I've almost lost my knives a few times. Sometimes because I work in a certain offices where I can't always have a knife on me, or I shouldn't have a knife on me, and I want to have certain tools that come with a Swiss Army knife. Having something like that would come in super useful. So something like that I can put in my wallet. Unfortunately, I would just have to remember to always take that out with the. Actually, I have to take out my wallet anyways with the.
Is this travel plus airport friendly?
There I go.
Yeah.
Because I always want to have a multi-tool. Because actually, with a Swiss Army knife, I never use the knife. I actually use all the multi-tools on it. I'm very much a Swiss Army carrier, so that is perfect for me.
I like how it has a flat head and a Phillips screwdriver on either end, and it has a bottle opener in the middle.
Let's see. What is this? Best performance, comfort, energy, one use up to. So these are insoles.
You've been talking about getting some insoles for like your everyday shoes.
Yeah. So it comes with, so these are Upmatic insoles. I don't know if these are better for hiking or for just standing.
It doesn't really say. It contains hundreds of energy capsules proven to return energy back to the foot.
So I have a standing desk at work, and standing is not always that great on the feet if you don't have the best insoles. So I'm thinking of trying to see if I can fit these. These are actually, I may try these in my shoes. See how they fit. Yeah. Or put them in new shoes when I get them. But I also, because I don't do a lot of standing, I've been sitting a lot, but I don't want to go back standing. And here's the first food that we actually did have, which was IQ Bar Brain Plus Body. 6 brain nutrients, 11 plant proteins, 1 gram of total sugar, and 4 grams of net carbs. So that actually wouldn't be bad for part of our diet. So let's see. But curious as to. But this is the bar. So it looks like it's primarily, by the looks of it, it's mostly just a peanut and peanut-based 6 brain lion's mane, MCT, omega-3s, flavonoids, vitamin E, and choline. Soluble tapioca fiber, almonds, peanuts, protein crisps, pea protein, allulose, chocolate chips. So it's basically, it's like a lot of protein bars we've already had, to be honest.
Yeah.
It's like a lot of nut protein bars we've seen in this box before.
It is keto and vegan. No gluten or GMOs.
We are keto. We do some low carb, but we're not extremely restrictive to it. But we are seeing success with it. But so I think that is everything. So yeah, this finalizes the last. If you found an item in this box, what was your favorite? And if you had a favorite box out of all the series, I think it's like 50 something boxes that I've opened.
It's a lot of boxes.
It is. Let me know what episode was your favorite. It's kind of sad to see the series go, but at the same time, I do need to move on. I do need to move on to something different. I don't know what that is, but sometimes it's better to move on and move forward. And yeah, you guys have a good day. Remember, get out in the woods and have some fun. My name's Nate. I'm the Outdoorsman. Again, it's my wife Cassie. See you, everyone.